Okay, so as we prepare for, I was about to say potentially, but there's no doubt there's going to be freezing temperatures. The only question is what kind of ice accumulation we may get here in central Texas. But this applies to anybody who's in an area where it might get cold and they have a Tesla. One of the beautiful things about a Tesla is it has camp mode. So if you lose power in your house, which has happened before here, I mean, my electricity is in the ground, but still there's some places where it's above ground. So it's possible that a cable could get snapped and we lose electricity. So I have a refuge, and the refuge is a Tesla running camp mode. Okay? Best time to prepare for it, know how to do it, is to investigate now. The cold weather is supposed to be tomorrow. Okay, down here where it shows you the numbers for your temperature, press that. This menu comes up. Over here in the far right, camp mode. Okay. Camp mode will run until we hit interlow power mode. I currently have 75% battery, which should be plenty. In my experience, camp mode will use about 15% overnight when you're camping. So that gives you a lot of time. Okay. The other thing, of course, is if you can charge a home. So the big winter event that we experienced here in Central Texas a few years ago, we had rolling blackouts. Okay, power would go off for 4 hours, come back on for 4 hours, like that. I mean, until they got under control, it kind of rolled like that, and that was for a while. Okay, so because I have a wall charger, I can also plug in to get more power into my car. Should we experience rolling blackouts, whenever the power comes back on, it'll put more energy back into my car. Okay? So there you go. My emergency shelter, and it doesn't matter, hot, cold, it'll keep the temperature moderate. Okay? And the other thing, of course, is, and you probably know this if you have a Tesla, you can fold down the back seats, put in a twin size mattress, and you can use it as to lay down in to sleep. Okay, there you go. Just my little public service announcement.